This is the 9U Outfielding Z drill. In this drill, essentially you can set up a couple cones if you'd like. And you can't, it's difficult to see in this picture, but you're gonna have one over here, and then kind of one at the back. So forming what appears to be the letter Z from the starting point. So the coach has the ball. This is an important drill at an early age to be run by the coach, just so that you have just more accuracy on where the ball is going. You can control the drill a little bit more. Oftentimes, as young players, they might just try to challenge each other and throw it too far to make diving plays and stuff like that's fun. But it's not necessarily overly helpful as they're learning. So it starts with the athlete facing the coach. Okay. The purpose of this is to work on the drop step, which is, as you can see over here on the left, one of our look fors for fielding. So the drop step, essentially what you want to do is take the foot that's closest to where the ball is going and point it in the direction. So you start with both your feet facing the coach. And then in this particular drill, the coach is throwing it to the left-hand side first. So the athlete's going to take their right foot, okay, because that's the direction it's going, and it's going to open up and move towards the ball. Then they take another drop step towards the ball on the other side, and then finally one more. So they end up with 1, 2, and then 3 drop steps there at the very end, right? So you want them in a good athletic position to start, and then they drop step towards the ball, find the baseball, catch the ball over their heads. Okay, drop step again, find the baseball again, make a catch over their head, finally make the last drop step, and then make the catch. Okay, so you can add a couple of challenges. How many can you catch in a row? Add the height to the ball, increase distance, obviously, that they have to travel. And if you want to make it very challenging, the more you throw it directly over their head, the harder it's going to be. So you don't have to throw it right over their head, but if you make it pretty close to that, it's actually harder. If it's just off to the side a little bit and back slightly, then that's a little bit easier for them to catch. But a ball right almost directly over their head is very challenging. So you could get close to that if you're really looking to challenge some of your more competitive players.